Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is the first half of Unit 8. Unit 8. The first 3 pages. And we are talking about, with Unit 8, what do you do? What do you do? Oh, I'm sorry, where do you work? Sorry, not what do you do. Where do you work? Where do you work? And here in the back, we can see a couple of people here, a woman and a man, maybe at a cafe or bakery. I don't know. What do you think? Where are they? Where are they? Are they at work? Are they at home? Probably work, because we're talking about work. I really like this unit. It's one of my favorites. Let's look here. The first exercise we have, exercise number 1, is word power, about jobs. Word power. And if you look, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pictures. And in each picture, we have some jobs, people who are working. So first, let's look at the jobs. Let's do the jobs and the pronunciation. So we're going to start here. We have accountant, accountant, and then bellhop, bellhop, cashier, cashier, chef, chef. You might know that one. Doctor, doctor. Front desk clerk, front desk clerk. Host, host. Nurse, nurse. Office manager, L, office manager. Police officer, police officer. Receptionist, receptionist. Salesperson, salesperson. Security guard, security guard. Server, server. Taxi driver, taxi driver. And vendor, vendor. So for this exercise, each name goes somewhere here. So, for example, if we look at number one, they gave us number 1, right? Number 1, police officer, police officer. So they put J. Here they put J. Number 2, what's his job? Number 2. Number 2 is a taxi driver. Taxi driver. So here we put O, taxi driver. And this person here, number 3, a person who sells in the street, is a vendor. Vendor. And we put here P. P. So you want to finish these, the rest of these here. You want to finish the rest. And also there's the audio. I will play the audio. But I think it's just the same. It's just pronunciation. We'll listen to the audio. 1 second.
Unit 8. Where do you work? Page 50. Exercise 1. Word power. Jobs, Part A. Match the jobs with the pictures. Then listen and practice. 1,
J. Police officer.
2,
O. Taxi driver.
3,
P. Vendor.
All right. So you can finish the exercise and then check your work with the audio. Finish the exercise and check with the audio, but do the work first. Yani finish first and then check. Finish first and then check. And then here on the bottom, when we have a chance to practice, we have part B is pair work. Ask questions about people in part A. What are their jobs? What are their jobs? So person A, what does she do? What does she do? She's a police officer. For number 1, she's a police officer. All right? So that's page 1. كمل التمرين أولا لحالك بعدين تأكد مع الصوتية إن شاء الله. And if we look at the next page here, exercise 2. Exercise 2. We have speaking exercise for workplaces. Workplaces. Who works in these places? Complete the chart with jobs from exercise 1. Complete the chart with jobs from exercise 1. So you're going to use the information from number 1 to put who works in a hospital, who works in an office, who works in a store, and who works in a hotel. So we have 3 places: hospital, office, store, and hotel. Okay? So put these locations here, or the occupation, the job, put the jobs here for each place. And we can check that together in class. And also we have a class activity, ask and answer questions. Who questions about jobs? WHO questions about jobs. Use these words. So, for example, who wears a uniform? Who talks to people? Who sits all day? So I could put here, who does this? Who works hard? Who stands all day from these jobs? بدك تشكل أسئلة لهذول هذاك الشغل, those jobs from number 1. So that's exercise number 2. That's number 2. And we can look at that, inshallah, also together in class, inshallah. You can ask and answer those questions. Number 3 is a conversation. Number 3 is a conversation. And here I covered the text. Here I covered the text. So you can also cover the text. Cover the text. This conversation, what does he do? We have two people talking. Alicia And who is Alicia talking to? Yes. Jordan is asking Alicia about her brother's job. Jordan is asking Alicia about her brother's job. So I want you to listen first. Cover the text and listen. We want to know, where does Alicia's brother work? Where does Alicia's brother work? What's his job? What's his job? Yani, what does he do? Number 3, what other person works there? What other person works there? And what's his job? What's his job? So we're going to listen to this together. All right. And also, you have the audio so you can practice at home. But I would like you to listen, all right, at least once or twice and answer these questions. And then you can uncover the text and look.
Page 51.
Page 51.
Exercise 3.
Exercise 3.
Conversation. What does he do? Listen and practice.
Where does your brother work?
In a hotel.
Oh, really? My brother works in a hotel too. He's an accountant.
How does he like it?
He hates it. He doesn't like the manager.
That's too bad. What hotel does he work for?
The Plaza.
That's funny. My brother works there too.
Oh, that's interesting. What does he do?
Actually, he's the manager.
Page 52. Exercise 4.
Did you get it? Should we listen again? This time, let's listen, and I will write the answers.
Page 51.
Page 50.
Exercise 3. Conversation. What does he do? Listen and practice.
Where does your brother work?
In a hotel.
Oh, really? My brother works in a hotel too. He's an accountant.
How does he like it?
He hates it. He doesn't like the manager.
That's too bad. What hotel does he work for?
The Plaza.
That's funny. My brother works there too.
Oh, that's interesting. What does he do?
Actually, he's the manager.
Page 52. Exercise 4. Grammar focus.
Ooh. That hurt. So Alicia's brother works in a hotel and he's an accountant. What other person works there? What other person works there? Jordan's brother. And he's the manager. What other person works there? Sorry. Who's Alicia's brother? Sorry. In a hotel. The manager. I messed this up. Alicia's brother is the manager. Jordan's brother also works in the hotel. And he's not the manager, he's the accountant. So Alicia's brother works in a hotel. And he's the manager of the hotel. What other person also works there? Jordan's brother. And what's his job? Yani Jordan's brother is an accountant. Jordan's brother is an accountant. So you can practice the text with the audio. Practice the text with the audio. And inshallah, we will also make time to practice in class. Don't forget about blending. Check your blending. Our grammar focus for this lesson. Simple present, WH questions. Simple present, WH questions. First, let's listen to the audio.
Page 52.
Page 52.
Exercise 4.
Exercise 4.
Grammar focus.
Grammar focus.
Simple present
Simple
WH
present.
questions.
Where do you work?
In a hospital.
What do you do?
I'm a doctor.
How do you like it?
I really like it.
Where does he work?
In a hotel.
What does he do?
He's a manager.
How does he like it?
It's okay.
Where do they work?
In an office.
What do they do?
They're accountants.
How do they like it?
They hate it.
Page 52.
All right. Simple present, WH questions. So we talked about some of these before, I remember. We said where. We use where for places. What for things. Yani, what do you do? What do you do for your job? What do you do? What's your job? And how do you like it? How do you like it? إيش رأيك يعني? So here we have where do you work? Here we have where does he work? So you, he, they. Where do you work? Where does he work? Where do they work? In a hotel. In a hospital, in a hotel, in an office. What do you do? What do you do? I'm a doctor. I'm a doctor. He's a. What does he do? He's a manager. And what do they do? They're here. So here we have more than one person. They're accountants. They're accountants. They're students, right? How do you like it? I really like it. It's okay. I hate it. He hates it. They hate it, right? So this is very good. This is okay. They hate it. Yani, not so nice. All right? Not so nice. So please, you're going to use your grammar focus information to finish this exercise down here. All right? Please remember to look up. And then the last exercise we have for this class is the reduction of do. The reduction of do. Please listen to the audio.
Page 52. Exercise 5. Pronunciation. Reduction of do. Listen and practice. Notice the reduction of do.
Where do you work? What do you do? Where do they work? What do they do?
Page 52. Exercise 5. Pronunciation. Reduction of do. Listen and practice. Notice the reduction of do.
Where do you work? What do you do? Where do they work? What do they do?
Actually, it's a little bit faster, right? But like we said before, it's not like Arabic. Where do you work? No. Where do you work? Where do you work? What do you do? What do you do? What do you do? Where do they work? Where do they work? Where do they work? What do they do? What do they do? What do they do? All right, that is the end of the first half of this of Unit 8. All right. Please listen to the audio more than once. Practice your pronunciation, and we will look at this again, inshallah, when we meet in class. All right, everybody, inshallah, will have a chance to practice. And I hope to see you too. I hope to see you soon. I hope to see you soon. Please don't forget to practice your new vocabulary. See you soon. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.